Wow, Mark, look at the streets already. So many people everywhere.
I know. It's still early, but everyone is going to Times Square tonight.
Are you ready for the cold weather?
Not really. My ears already feel frozen, but I don't want to miss the ball drop.
This is my favorite night of the whole year.
Welcome everyone to Cozy English Talk.
We practice real, easy English together.
Relax, speak slowly, and enjoy this night with us. Buying subway tickets.
Where do we buy tickets?
At that machine over there.
I don't use the subway often.
That's okay. First, press here. Now, choose your station.
There are so many buttons, I feel nervous.
Take your time. Nobody is rushing you. Speak with us. I need a subway ticket. Which station do I choose? This machine is confusing. Can you help me, please? On the platform.
Wow, this platform is very crowded.
Yes, but people look happy. I hear music somewhere.
Look at all the hats and glasses. Some people even have little blinking New Year's lights on their heads.
Someone just dropped their coffee, and the smell of cinnamon and pizza hit me at the same time.
Classic New York smell. Coffee, cinnamon, pizza, and chaos.
And New Year's music makes everyone smile. Speak with us. The subway is crowded tonight. I hear music. People look happy.
Look at that family. The children are jumping.
They are excited for midnight. Inside the train.
I can't even see the door. How many people are in here?
Hold my arm so we don't get separated. This train is basically a moving party.
People are singing, waving their glow sticks, and cheering.
Yep, I think someone just started dancing. Look at that guy in the sparkly tuxedo.
Where do we get off?
At 49th or 50th Street. Then we'll walk the rest of the way.
I hope no one starts juggling confetti on the stairs.
That would be a New York New Year's miracle.
Mark, something feels strange.
Why? The train is moving fast.
Yes, but the station names don't look familiar.
Wait, this is not our line.
Oh no, we were so excited we didn't look at the train number.
You're right, we took the wrong train.
I feel silly.
It's okay. This happens to many people in New York.
When you choose the wrong train, you say, I took the wrong train.
Repeat with us. I took the wrong train.
Repeat slowly, 3 times. I took the wrong train. What should we do now?
Let's ask someone. Excuse me, is this train going to Times Square?
No, this train goes downtown.
Downtown, we need uptown.
Thank you for your help.
Speak with us. Excuse me, is this the right train? I think I am on the wrong train. Which train goes to Times Square?
I feel disappointed.
But I also feel excited. This is part of the adventure.
You're right. Learning English is also an adventure.
Repeat feelings practice. I feel disappointed. I feel excited.
Let's get off at the next station.
Then we will go upstairs and check the map.
I hope we don't miss the ball drop.
We still have time, don't worry. One time I was very tired. I took the wrong bus and went to the airport instead of my home.
Really? What did you do?
I laughed, drank some coffee, and tried again.
That makes me feel better.
Speak with us. Make your own sentence. I took the wrong train because I was excited. I will ask for help next time.
Look, this sign says Uptown, Times Square.
Yes, this is our train.
We made a mistake, but now we are ready.
Sometimes mistakes are the best English lessons.
Together. It's okay to make mistakes. Just keep going. Finally, how far do we have to walk?
About 4 blocks, but everyone's in party mode. Crazy hats, glasses, glow sticks.
Look at that little boy with a crown bigger than his head.
And adults, too. One guy is wearing a hat shaped like a champagne bottle.
This is like a costume parade, but everyone is happy.
Exactly. Let's walk and soak it all in.
Wow, so many police officers and barricades? This is serious.
Yes, it's safe but crowded. Some streets are closed, so we zigzag a little.
I'm freezing, but the excitement keeps me warm.
Same here. If we survive these blocks, we deserve hot chocolate.
Definitely, after we snap some fun photos. The screen says 1 minute left. Can you feel the energy?
Everyone's counting down. It's incredible.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Look at everyone hugging, jumping, and waving party poppers. Whoa, what's falling from the sky?
That's confetti. At the stroke of midnight, the crew throws big handfuls down into the streets.
It's sticking everywhere. My hair, my jacket, my face.
It's magical. A real New York moment. The crew, the people working above Times Square, grab big handfuls of confetti.
A crew is a group of workers. Example, the crew prepares the confetti.
A handful means a small amount you can hold in your hand.
And confetti is tiny, colorful paper that flies everywhere.
The crew throws handfuls of confetti down into the streets.
It sticks to your hair, your jacket, your face, everything. Mark, look over there.
That man is going down on one knee.
Oh my gosh, he's proposing right after the ball dropped.
She's covering her face. I think she's crying.
Now she's nodding yes.
Everyone around them is cheering.
That is the most New York New Year's moment ever.
New Year's Eve is truly romantic.
Not everyone comes to Times Square, right?
Right. Many families stay home and have fun.
Like what?
They watch movies, play board games, and cook special food, tacos, chili, fun snacks.
Do the kids stay up late?
Some do, or they have an early midnight at 9 p.m. with sparkling cider.
Cozy and festive. Love that idea. What other fun things do families do?
They make memory books.
What's a memory book?
A book with photos and stories from the year.
That is very nice.
And kids do crafts like fireworks paintings.
Maybe we should make one next year? Learning important words.
Let's learn some important words.
Propose means asking someone to marry you. He proposed to her at midnight.
Resolution is a promise to improve your life. My resolution is to study English every day.
Freezing means very, very cold. It's freezing tonight in Times Square.
And this sentence, at the stroke of midnight, as the ball finishes its descent, the crew throws big handfuls of confetti into the streets below. It means people throw lots of paper when the clock hits 12.
Now we want to hear from you.
How do you celebrate your New Year?
Do you go out or stay home with your family?
Write in the comments and tell us your story.
Thank you for learning English.
Happy New Year, everyone!